I adopted this cute Amazon parrot from a couple that can no longer take care of her. Her feathers weren't growing out anymore, so I made an appointment to take her to the vet. I knew I would need a small travel bag to take her in, so I went onto Amazon and searched for one. All of these travel bags had really cute designs, but they were too small for my parrot. Until I finally found one where the dimensions made sense. $39.99. Let's order this one. 3 days later, my package came in. It's a nice turquoise color. It's a backpack. It has openings on both sides. Comes with a little tray for the droppings and a wooden birch stand. It also has 2 little side pockets to put snacks and toys in. I like all the zipper openings it has. It has a breathable material on the sides and top. Today is the day of her appointment. Now the hardest part will be trying to get her inside the travel bag. So I attempted several things for about 30 minutes until she finally walked in. She seemed very scared at first, but after a few minutes she started playing with her toys. And we made it to her vet appointment just on time.